tell me? We did some questions of past year questions. No? We did discuss some past year questions for vector cross product. Today is the last session for cross product. We learned how to go for cross product. Now we are going to go with this section for solving questions of cross product. Some questions of cross product will do. After that, we will go for the next part. Okay? Get ready for it, please. Joshika, good evening. Hey, where are you, yaar? School also not coming. Vectors I am teaching. What happened to you? Come on, starting the session, please. Now listen. The first work, what we are going, my voice is audible or not? The first work, what we are going to do is, we'll solve one question. Get ready, beta. The question is, I think this question last class we have done or not. So write down. This is NCRT question. Question is, A vector is equal to I vector J vector, B vector and C vector. First you note down. B vector is equal to 3j minus k, 3j minus k, and C vector is equal to 7i minus k. This is exactly ABC vector given. Understood? You are okay? So now find a vector D vector. The question is, find a vector D vector, okay, perpendicular to both A vector and B vector. D vector perpendicular to both A vector and B vector. Okay, Sanjana, good evening, beta. Perpendicular to both A vector and B vector, and C vector dot D vector is equal to 1. This is NCRT question, and please kindly remember this can be exactly coming for MCQs. These questions are highly likely for MCQs. Okay. Now, how to understand the question first? Try to understand what the question is given to you. Now, beta, they're telling that D vector is perpendicular to perpendicular to A vector. D vector is also perpendicular to B vector. Understood? So just understand this is D vector. D vector is perpendicular to A vector. Got it? Now D vector is also perpendicular to, let's go for it. D vector can also be, this is another vector B vector. B vector. Now D is common perpendicular. D is perpendicular individually. So individually we are going to draw like D is perpendicular to A, D is perpendicular to B. Definitely you need to understand one thing. Sivaranjani, Tanish, understand this question very nicely, because beta, understand this part. If any vector is perpendicular to a vector and it is perpendicular to this vector also, that means it will become parallel to A cross B. It will become parallel to A cross B. So write down, D vector is perpendicular. That means it is parallel. I can't be able to draw that part nicely. So this A cross B, now it will become parallel. It will become parallel as A cross B. A cross B resultant part will come now. So that resultant part will become parallel. So here you write D vector is perpendicular to A vector. D vector is perpendicular to B vector. So 100% D vector will become parallel to A cross B vector. So D vector A cross B, we know now A cross B can be written like this. Correct now? So A cross B means angle subtending theta. This is A vector and this is B vector. So if we can draw D vector, separately D vector, so it will become parallel to A cross B. It will become what? It will come parallel to A cross B. So write down this one. So D vector will be parallel to D vector will be parallel to, always remember this one, parallel to A cross B vector. Done? So that means what? D vector will be parallel to A cross B vector. And once D vector will become parallel to A cross B vector, parallel formula is lambda. This is coming as A cross B. This is the most important thing, children. Remember this part very nicely. If a vector is perpendicular to two different vector, then it will be parallel to its cross product. It will be parallel to its cross product. And then parallel situation is this vector is equal to lambda cross product of that two vectors. So please kindly remember this one. Understood? So once you have done till here, now you have to write D vector. We don't know what is D vector. Can I write D vector as? So here A vector cross B vector. So what we are going to write? D vector is equal to lambda. A vector is written as what, beta? I, J, K. Now A vector part is 1, minus 1, 0. Now B vector part is 0, 3 and minus 1. So you need to find the cross product. So it will become D vector will be equal to lambda. This case it is coming J part, because I part will become what? 1. Correct now? So here I coming. Now minus J section. In J section it is coming as minus 1. So minus into minus plus J. Plus J. Now beta in K section what you are going to write? This part coming 3 is coming. So 3K. So we got the till here. So lambda D part is coming. Now this is D. Now they are telling C vector dot D vector is equal to 1. Come on, go for it. Note down, please. C vector dot D vector is equal to 1. So what is your C vector, beta? So C vector is written as 7I plus 0 into J minus K. Praveen, where are you? Now here dot D vector is coming as lambda I plus J plus 3K. Till here done? I hope everybody understood till here. So once you have written till here, so now you have known that this is 1. So now lambda 7 will come, I dot I will come 1, 7. 0 into 1, 0, and that minus 3 is equal to 1. So 4 lambda is equal to 1. So lambda is equal to 1 by 4. That's it. So now what is D vector coming? D vector is coming as overall D vector answer is 1 by 4 I plus J plus 4K, and this is your precise answer. I plus J plus 4K. So this is, sorry, I plus J plus 3K, because here it is 3. I hope it is done. Till here, note down please. Come on children, these type of questions are very important. This is coming in MCQ format. They will ask find lambda. They will definitely ask find lambda, and that part you will come in trouble if you don't know what is the technique of solving. So if two vectors are perpendicular to each other, then they will be here. This is the most important thing. D is perpendicular to A vector, D is perpendicular to B vector. That means D will be parallel to A vector cross B vector. This you always remember. So D vector will become parallel. Support is exactly coming like that. So it will come parallel. This you remember in your brain and feed on in your brain. This will come as parallel. Now one question I am giving you, this question you need to solve. Come on, start doing this question. So this is exactly one very good question we have solved. And now we are going to go for the next good question. Sorish and others, I am not going to request you people to join the classes. I'm seriously feeling very angry sometimes that I'm just selected some idiot students. Only some are very good, rest other are only sleeping. See, Josika, Sanjana, Tanish, and Sivaranjini, four are only there in the group. Rest other all are not caring about joining the classes and studying. And here Madesh is here. What is this? This is waste of my time. Why am wasting my time on you people? Now look here. Write the question next. Find the area of the parallelogram determined by the vectors. Find the area of parallelogram determined by the vector determined by the vectors. Write down, find the area. Yashmita, good evening, beta. So determined by the vector A vector and B vector. Find the area of the parallelogram determined by the vector A vector. It is coming as 3I plus j minus 2k. And second part is I minus 3j plus 4k. Done? I plus, wait, I'll change that part. I plus 2j plus 3k. Second section, write down 3I minus 2j plus k. Now I think 0 will not come. Okay, go for it. Find the area of the parallelogram, determine the vector. So these are the two vectors. How to represent area of parallelogram? That day I discussed the area of the parallelogram, how it is represented. See, for this type of question, you need two techniques. First part is you have to find A cross B. The area of the parallelogram formula is what? The area of the parallelogram formula is area of parallelogram is equal to magnitude of A vector cross B vector. So this is exactly area of parallelogram. So first work what you have to do, find the A cross B vector. Understood? So find A vector cross B vector. So beta for that what you are going to write I, J and K. Done? So now when you are writing I, J and K, this part is 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 2 and 1. Done? So what it is coming as? Check this one out. It is coming I. This part is 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 because 2 minus of minus will become plus, minus j, 1 minus 9 plus k. It is coming as minus 2 minus 6. So overall it is coming as 8i plus 8j minus 8k. 8i plus 8j minus 8k. Now what next we have to do? We have to find the magnitude of it to get the area of parallelogram. So root under 8 square plus 8 square plus minus 8 square. So it is coming as 64 plus 64 plus 64. 4, 4, 4, 6, 192 is coming. Come on, check. So it is coming as 192. Overall answer is coming as how much, beta? 192, 8 with 2 we will form. So it is coming as 8 root 3 square units. Answer is coming as 8 root 3 square units. Yes, to calculate the cross product value, Shivaranjani, see, A vector is there, na beta? A vector ijk component you write down. So you write ijk. Okay. So what is the coefficient of I? 1. What is the coefficient of j? 2. What is the coefficient of k? 3. So write here 1, 2, 3. Done, beta? Now here, what is the coefficient of I? 3 minus 2 and 1. So you wrote here. Okay. Now use discriminant rule, beta. In discriminant, first element whatever you are writing, then you have to multiply, cross this 2 into 1. So you write like this, then you will understand. I, j, k This will become A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. So when you are taking I, that time this one you have to ignore B, F minus CE. Done. Now J part always discriminant it coming as negative. Understood? J part is coming as negative. So when J section is coming as negative, that particular time, how you are going to write beta? This time this you ignore AF minus CD. Now comes K. When K section you are doing, then AE minus BD. Just like how we are writing discriminant, same pattern of writing will be there. Are you? I hope you might have understood with this example. Come on, say. Did you understood how to calculate? Marish understood now? Come on, say quickly. We will go for the next question. Very good. Now one question is there. This question came in CBSE 2008. Then this question came. This question is coming 2 to 3 times as an MCQ questions. So children, this part is very known for its MCQ parameter. Are you all ready for MCQ question? The question here is no problem, beta. So write the question. Write the question. Let's see you are understanding the concept or not. Here itself we will come to know. So that the area of parallelogram. So sorry. Find the area of the parallelogram. Find the diagonal. Understood? Find the diagonal. Okay. No. Find the area of parallelogram if D1 is first diagonal. Note down D1 is first diagonal of parallelogram and it is 3I plus 2J minus 2K minus 2K and D2 is equal to, note down, D2 is equal to I minus 3J plus 4K beta. Come on, go for it. 3J minus 2, I minus 3, 4. So your options are 5 square units, root 3 square units, 5 root 3 square units, 3 root 3 square units. Come on, go for it, beta. Any one of this will become the answer. Come on, go for it. Try to solve this question, please. Come on, you can do it. Try this one, beta. In vector format, how you are going to write the area of parallelograms? Come on, go for it, please. With the help of the diagonals. So if diagonals will be given, how you are going to find the area? With the help of the diagonals. So diagonals are playing a vital role. Come on, go for it. 5 root 3. Very good. So how to solve this question? Let's see. We know that area of parallelogram is, now let's solve area of parallelogram. Uh, Area of parallelogram is equal to 1 by 2 d1 cross d2. That's it. That day I taught for parallelogram diagonals will be there. So very good. So parallelogram one diagonals will be there. At the time when you are writing diagonals, then this part will become the formula. So we will be doing only one work. First we will find d1 cross d2. So beta, once you are finding d1 cross d2, after that only we will just substitute. Again same format I, j, k. This is coming as 3, 1 minus 2. This is coming 1 minus 3 and 4. So here it is coming as I part will be written as 4 minus 6. 4 because minus into minus plus again minus will come. So 4 minus 6 minus j 12 plus 2 plus k minus 9 minus 1. So it is coming as minus 2i minus 14j minus 10k. Okay. So now d1 cross d2, when we'll do like this 1 by 2, magnitude part means 4 plus 196 plus 100. Let's check this one out. It is coming as 300. So 1 by 2 into 100 root 3. Sorry, 10 root 3. Na? 10 root 3 because 100 means 10 will go out. So 5 root 3. 5 root 3 square units. 5 root 3 square units, and that's seriously yes, half d1 into d2. Absolutely correct data. So option C is the correct answer. It is coming as 5 root 3. So we have seen two different type of questions coming in examination. Now we are going to go for that type of questions where you will feel tricks of the question. So area of the triangle also you will be able to find. If somebody will ask you, find the area of the triangle whose vertices are, because this question came in CBSE examination. So we must know how to solve this question. Okay. So if this question is given, find the area of the triangle whose vertices are A is equal to, in cross product also you can find B and C. Vertices given, I am converting it into vector one time itself. So vertices given, I am converting into vector. So now beta, what we are going to do, first we will find A part. A vector is given as, we'll write that A vector, or A vector is coming as OA, origin part, 3i minus j plus 2k. Got it? B vector is coming as, huh? Huh? We need to find the area with the help of the vertices. Kavya, what happened? No, I didn't remember you. So now this 3ij plus 2k, this is I minus j. This is there, and C part will be written as 4I minus 3j plus k. Got it? 6 o'clock Kavya, 8 class bio. Shall we start doing it, beta? Let me decide which subject. Just 1 minute, wait. I'm solving the question, please. So now when AB vector we have to find, so first three vertices we are going to find. So what we are going to do, if they will find like this, it's the most easiest part for vector cross product if you are finding. Understood. So when all finding part will be there, now how we are going to do, we will be writing here A, B, C. So we will connect with origin all this part. So it will become OA. This will become A vector. This part will become B vector and this part will become C vector. Okay. So here, so now once O origin will be connected. So first we have to find AB vector. AB vector is OB vector minus OA vector. So here I minus j minus 3k minus 3I minus j plus 2k. So it is coming 3 minus 3 plus 1, 4I, and this is plus j minus j 0 j, and here minus 3 minus 2 minus 5k. This is AB. Now we need to know that for cross product, now for the way of finding cross product, you need to remember one thing. From cross product, finding area is the most simplest one. The cross product area finding is the most easiest one. You only get AB and AC because this part AB and this part AC. Then area of triangle ABC will be half of modulus of AB vector cross AC. That's it. You will get the area. So only I told you we will be solving this. Okay. So we will be solving this. This is AB and this is AC. Cross product between AB and AC, and it will be done in no time. Check this one out. Half of AB and AC. So now we need to find AC. Let's solve AC. AC vector is equal to, when we will be finding AC vector will be OC minus OA. So OC is coming as, what happened? OC minus OA. So it is coming as 4I minus 3J plus K. I hope you have written. And then minus OA beta. That is 3I minus J plus 2K. So this is coming as 4 minus 3 means I. Next, minus 3 plus j. So minus 2j. Huh? Minus 2I cap. It is I. A is what? 3. B part I wrote now. So minus 3 plus 1 minus 2. Is it okay now? Check. Now OC is coming. Written correct now. In between manager auntie is creating problems. So only minus 2j k and minus 2k. So minus k. Done. Check this one out. Now cross product directly, right? Cross product of this part. So first we will find AB cross AC. So AB vector cross AC vector, it will become I, J and K. Minus 2, 0, minus 5. It is 1, minus 2 and minus 1. Okay. So it is coming as minus plus 10 minus 10 is coming. So it is coming as minus 10I. Okay. Now this section is minus j. So 2 plus 5, 7 minus 7j. And now this part when you are cancelling k section, so 4 plus 4k. Now we need to find the magnitude of it. Only magnitude part we are going to write. So it is coming 10, 7 and 4. So now what we are going to do here, beta, area part will be coming. Area of triangle ABC is equal to half magnitude of AB vector cross AC vector. So when magnitude of AB vector cross AC vector is coming, what we are going to do, half this root under 10 square is 100, 7 square is 49 and 4 square is 16. So it is coming as half 6, 9, 15, 9 plus 6, 15, 4, 5, 6. Is it correct? Root under 165 is coming. So area is coming this much, square units. Yes, anybody got this question? Yes, this is 12th class. Anybody got this question? This is the answer coming. I hope you might have understood. So this is exactly root under 165 by this part. So this is one way to solve this question. This is the way to solve the question. I hope you might have understood. Come on, we'll go for the next question. Get ready for it. Like this one question means area finding means it is the easiest way. The most easiest way is cross product. AB cross AC. Modulus of half AB cross AC and you will be getting. Now beta, we are going to do some miscellaneous questions which is asked as numericals. Okay, and sorry, which will be coming as for you as MCQ questions. Get ready for it. CBSE 2022 question also we are going to do. First question, write down. So three vectors are there, A vector, B vector, C vector. Note down. The question is A cross B vector plus B cross C vector plus C cross A vector is equal to what? Your options are 1, 0, -1, not defined. Come on, go for these questions, please. Where these are collinear. Okay. So these are, we will do one thing, we will take as the position vector. So OA vector will become A vector, OB vector will become, so if we will take position vector means OA vector will become A vector, OB vector will become B vector, and OC vector will become C vector, like this. Because if we will take position of A, B, C vector, then only we can be able to do. So first work is what we will find, AB vector. AB vector is OB minus OA. Come on, go for it, note down. AB vector will be what? AB vector will be OB minus OA. Now we will find AC vector. AC vector will be OC minus OA. So it will become B vector minus A vector. And this one is C vector minus A vector. Note down this one. So triangle, if it is going to be triangle means it will be, if it is not collinear, then it will have some magnitude. If it will be collinear means it will become 0. That part we have already studied now. So do like this. So only do one thing. You try to find AB vector cross AC vector. Just now before some time we did now cross product. If they will be in one line, then its cross product will become 0. If it will not be in one line, then its cross product will be some value will come. Got it? So here 0 option is given by direct seeing, but is it coming 0 or not 0? We don't know. So first work is we will find this. It will become B vector minus A vector cross product C vector minus A vector. Come on, go for it. Go for it. So first we are going to distribute it. First we are going to distribute this part. Let's distribute the section. So B vector minus A vector cross C vector, cross product is there minus B vector minus A vector cross A vector. So it is coming B vector cross C vector minus A vector cross C vector minus B vector cross A vector minus A vector cross A vector. Okay. Yes, Sanjana, what is the answer coming? So if it will be, so A vector cross A vector will become what? 1. Super. No, Nare. This vector part will represent what? They have already given B vector cross A vector minus A cross C is there. And then B cross A is there. B cross A is there. If we will remove it one, it will become B cross C plus C cross A. Then minus B cross A. This part will become 0. A cross A parallel will become 0. So here B cross C, C cross A. It is coming B cross A resultant. Understood? And minus B cross A. So answer will come as 0. That's it. Note down, the answer is coming as 0. After resolving, I got 0. Yes, the answer is absolutely correct. The answer is coming as 0 only. Tanish, everybody, did you got the answer? Very good. We'll go for the next question, please. Get ready for that. Now, beta, another question is there. This question came in CBSE 2020. This question came in which year? CBSE 2020. Understood. Now we are going to go for the next question. Write the next question and try to solve this question. Question is A cross B vector plus C vector, B cross C vector plus A vector, and C cross A vector plus B vector is equal to what? Options. Try this question. Because it is vector cross product, na opposite we will do, it will become minus. A cross B will be minus B cross A. Based on that, try and solve this question. Come on, go for it. Done, beta. Where do you solve the doubts? Means what is the answer? Come on, give. Okay, so simplify. Yeah, I can, but in 12th content, if you are having doubt, means you can ask me. In the comment box, you can send question, or in our Instagram, they will send me. So now look here, beta. A cross B vector plus A cross C vector plus B cross C vector plus B cross A vector plus C cross A vector plus C cross B vector. So if this is coming and this is coming, so A vector cross B vector plus A vector cross C vector, this is B vector cross C vector. If you turn it, it will become A vector cross B vector, story over for here. Now this will become minus A vector cross C vector, story over here, and minus B vector cross A vector, story over. That's over. Yes. So this is exactly coming as 0 vector, that is 0. So we'll solve next question. This question came 3 times in CBSE. I don't know why they are exactly asking this type questions. Yes, but these are easy questions now. MCQ formats, it will look difficult, but 100% it will not be difficult. It will be definitely well solved. Got it? So whenever this part will be coming, answers will be coming as 0. So I'm giving you another question. This question what I'm giving you, this again came in 3 times in CBSE. Last time they gave this question 2016. Write the question. They have given that if A vector cross B vector equal to C vector cross D vector. Done, beta? After that, A vector cross C vector is equal to B vector cross D vector. Then, after that, show that which part you are going to solve. Now, if A vector minus D vector is parallel to this, then values will be what? What will be the value if this is parallel to this? What can be the value? A minus B parallel to this. What can be the value if they are parallel to this? If they will be parallel means how we are going to find? We can know that in most of the cases answer for this will come as 0 only. None of this. So we'll be definitely taking and solving this question. All others are sleeping in group. Super, very good. Nicely sleep. What will be the answer coming for this case? Come on, A cross B is equal to C cross D and A this part. So parallel means what beta? First we will find the cross product. We know that parallel means value will be coming as 0 only. No need to check also. The answer will be exactly coming as 0 because the cross product of these two vectors will be coming as 0. So what we are going to do? A vector minus D vector cross B vector minus C vector. Okay, so how we are going to write? A vector cross B vector minus this cross product A vector cross C vector, then minus D vector cross B vector plus D vector cross C vector. So A cross B they have given as C cross D. C cross D they have given. And now minus A cross C. Now A cross C value is B cross D. And here it is minus D cross B plus D cross C. So 100% it will become C cross D. If you change it is coming minus C cross D. Now it is minus B cross D. It will become plus B cross D. So after proving also we are getting answer as 0. After proving also, yes, after proving also the answer is coming as 0 only beta. If you are doing the cross product A cross B and then A minus A cross C because they have given already A cross B is equal to C cross D. So once they have written that part, we just need to solve it. simple only. If you see, we have solved it in a very simply, we didn't went to a very tough content, we just tried to solve it simple. Okay, so geometrical interpretation of one question is there. This is NCRT question. The next question what we are going to solve is exactly this part, A cross B, because this will become, look here, I just did it simple because many questions like this is there in, we have already solved this. Then minus D, it will be distributed as B vector minus C vector, done now, distribution part. And after that we will write like that, done. So if you are writing this one, then you have to write this in last section. If B is resolved, then you have to write like this, A minus D vector cross B vector minus A vector minus D vector cross C vector. So if this one is multiplied, then this part will come at last. Don't write it in first. But if this one is multiplied, then this will be in first. Got it? I hope you might have understood this into this minus this into this. But when you are resolving the second section, then this into this minus this into this. That's the difference. Okay. Now one question is there. Please solve it. So what is the answer coming as? A vector minus B vector cross product of A vector plus B vector. So this when you are doing, what answer will be coming? What is the answer coming? One mark question. Come on, solve it. Try to give me the answer for this. Come on, go for it. What is the answer, Peter? Hmm? Zero. Hey, most of the time answer will not come zero, yeah. Just think what can be the answer. Here answer cannot be zero. Today all the idiots are absent, so I'm not finding so. So first, again, if we will distribute A vector cross A vector plus B vector. Done? Now look here. Minus B vector cross A vector plus B vector. Now did, now here cross means A vector cross A vector plus A vector cross B vector minus B vector cross A vector minus B vector cross B vector. Vector parallel to itself will become 0. This part will come 0. So A vector cross A vector will be coming as 0. Sin 0 degree, angle between them will become 0. Because we know that, here you write, A vector cross A vector is equal to magnitude of A vector, magnitude of A vector sin 0 degree unit. So this will come as 0 vector. So this part will come as 0 vector, this part will come as 0 vector. So now it is coming as A vector cross B vector minus B vector cross A vector. When you will return it, it will come A vector cross B vector plus A vector cross B vector. So it is coming to A vector cross B vector. This is the answer. Yeah, you need to rotate. You can rotate it now. B cross A will become A cross B plus now. What is so? This is, there is no rocket science in that. No, it cannot be. How it can be cancelled, boss? B A. It is direction specific. Yeah, it's a vector quantity. How you can cancel it? Understood. So here A cross B is there now. So minus is there. The moment it will revert, it will become A cross B. B cross A will become A cross B. It cannot be cancelled. In dot product, you can think of all these type of magic, unwanted things. Here it is very, very technical. So you can't do like that. Got it? So note down this one. So most of the important questions we have solved. One last question is there. This is exactly one of the question which I was waiting for. Okay, so this question next class I'll do, and then I'll start vector because we don't have time. It will take nearly 2 to 3 minutes to solve this question. Next, we will be going for what you called 3D. Directly, we are starting 3D. Some direction cosine and direction ratios questions we are going to solve. After that, 3D we are going to start next class. Okay, so direction cosine direction ratios question next class, and then 3D part we are going to solve. That's it for today. Most of the students they are not showing, so tomorrow I'm going to talk to all of you. Nice treatment I'm going to give first. Tomorrow also class is there. There's no holiday. Please remember this part. No holiday.